Home is where you should feel most comfortable, but for many Gainesville homeowners, outdated or inefficient windows make that comfort harder to achieve. From drafts that creep in during cooler evenings to the relentless Florida sun heating up your living spaces, old windows can disrupt your indoor environment in ways you may not even realize. Installing new windows is one of the most effective upgrades you can make to improve comfort throughout your home. Here's how modern windows make a difference for Gainesville families. Consistent indoor temperatures. Older windows often have thin glass, worn seals, or gaps around the frame that allow outside air to sneak in. This means your air conditioning system has to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature, leaving some rooms cooler or warmer than others. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced features such as double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and weather stripping that blocks air leaks. This helps keep the hot Florida air out and your cooled indoor air inside, creating an even, comfortable temperature across every room in your Gainesville home. Protection from Florida's heat. Sunlight is abundant in Gainesville, but with it comes intense heat and UV rays. If your windows don't have protective coatings, your living spaces can feel hot and uncomfortable during the day. Today's new windows often include low emissivity coatings that reflect heat while still allowing natural light to brighten your rooms. This reduces the greenhouse effect that makes rooms stuffy and keeps your home cooler, without the need to close blinds or rely on artificial lighting. It also protects your furniture, flooring, and curtains from fading due to UV exposure. Reduced drafts and humidity. Comfort isn't just about temperature, it's also about how the air feels. Drafts and excess humidity from old windows can make a home feel clammy or sticky, especially during Gainesville's humid summers. New windows feature tight seals that block outside moisture and prevent drafts. By keeping indoor air balanced, they create a fresher, more pleasant environment where your air conditioning system can work efficiently without battling unnecessary humidity. A quieter, more relaxing home. Noise is another factor that impacts comfort. Whether it's traffic, nearby construction, or neighborhood activity, outside sounds can quickly disrupt your peace indoors. Modern windows with insulated glass and advanced framing materials help reduce noise infiltration, making your home quieter and more restful. This is especially valuable for Gainesville homeowners in busier areas, where a quieter home environment improves both comfort and overall quality of life. Improved air quality through better ventilation. Many new windows are designed with features that make them easier to open and close, encouraging better airflow when you want natural ventilation. On cooler days, this lets you bring fresh outdoor air inside, improving indoor air quality without sacrificing comfort. In Gainesville, where mild winters offer opportunities to enjoy fresh breezes, this flexibility adds another dimension of comfort while reducing reliance on mechanical cooling. A boost in energy savings. While the primary goal is comfort, lower energy bills are a welcome side benefit of installing new windows. Because they limit heat transfer and prevent air leaks, your HVAC system runs more efficiently. The result is not just a more comfortable home but also long-term financial savings, something every homeowner can appreciate. Conclusion: comfort that lasts year-round for Gainesville homeowners. New windows are more than just an aesthetic upgrade, they're a practical investment in everyday comfort. By regulating temperature, reducing drafts and humidity, minimizing noise, and protecting against Florida's intense sun, modern windows create a healthier, more enjoyable indoor environment. Whether you're tired of uneven room temperatures or simply want to make your home feel more welcoming, new windows deliver results you'll notice immediately. It's an upgrade that enhances comfort now and adds value to your home for years to come.